Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel where we explore the best places you can visit. Today's video is all about Islamabad. Pakistan's capital is known for its peaceful environment, green landscapes, and modern charm. Whether you live here or plan to visit, this list has some must-see spots that will blow your mind. If you love these hidden gems of Islamabad, hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Got a favorite spot or a place you're excited to visit? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on more exciting travel spots and adventures. Thanks for watching and keep exploring with us. See you in the next one.